Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. How are you doing today? Happy Monday, everyone. Now, so how are you doing? Um, how was your May? How was your weekend? We're almost going to June very soon. How are you doing over there? Well, if you're new here, my name is Noura Al Masri. I am the nonprofit CFO. I'm also an enrolled agent and the founder of Noura's Books. So today we're going to be talking about what can a CFO do for your nonprofits? What can Hi Ilham, what can a CFO do for your nonprofits? And until then, I'm gonna actually put the link for you guys if you want to book a call. So you can go to that link on the screen. Otherwise, if you are on Instagram, you can go to the link on the bio. That will take you to my website. And from there, you can go to contact us and you will see my calendar. You'll be able to book a call. Where we talk on Zoom and see how can I help your organization. Now, if you are not familiar with the CFO, CFO is the Chief Financial Officer. So that is the highest person on the accounting and finance department for a company or nonprofit, whatever type of business you are in. The highest level is CFO, which is the Chief Financial Officer. Now, a lot of people, a lot of businesses and nonprofit don't even get a chance to work with a CFO. Why? Because if you want to hire a CFO full time, well, you have to really pay. For someone who is not experienced, you will pay easily over six figures. The minimum you would pay actually is 120,000. This is if you're lucky. If they don't have still a lot of experience, then you will have someone with the lower six figures. In addition to that, of course, if you have an employee, you will pay payroll taxes, you will have benefits, of course, a lot of benefits for that level, and so much more. So that's why a lot of businesses and nonprofit, they don't really consider having a CFO, while it's really essential and it actually can take your nonprofit to a next level. You can scale very fast, you can be more efficient, you will actually get return on investment when you hire a CFO. Now, hopefully you're already doing bookkeeping. So bookkeeping can be done with an accountant, with a bookkeeper, but you have to be careful who you hire, because I've seen a lot of books, people thinking they're doing bookkeeping, but in fact their balance sheet and P&L are totally wrong. And I've seen so many of those actually during tax season in both nonprofits and businesses. They say, okay, we have our books ready, here's our balance sheet, here's our P&L, and when we go ahead and try to do their taxes, their balance sheet don't balance. And most of the time when your balance sheet is not balancing, that means also you have a wrong P&L. And you don't want to be in that situation. So make sure you are doing bookkeeping with someone who knows how to do bookkeeping. Even though if you have someone like in-house, maybe doing the data entry, make sure to have someone who can look over your bookkeeping and make sure it's correct. And that is one of the most important thing your CFO is going to do for you. They're going to look and see if those numbers make sense, if you are allocating everything the correct way. That's one of the things that your CFO can do. Also, it's going to help you understand your financial position more, and you can plan, you can see where are you going to go, where do you want to go, and where are you going to go if you stay operating the same way you are operating. So they can tell you, okay, where do you want to go? And if that does not align with what you're doing, they will let you know. You know, yeah, I understand you want to go this way, but I see that you are going totally different direction. So that's a very important thing that your CFO will do for you. They will help you make informed decisions. So just looking at your financial statement, yeah, it will help you a little bit, but if you don't understand those numbers, if you don't have more visions, more analysis, more in-depth analysis, you're not gonna know where to go. You're not gonna really know how to operate from here. You're not gonna go to the next level regardless. And this, whatever I'm saying here, it goes both for nonprofit and for businesses, whatever it is. Actually, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I say all the time, nonprofit is a business. The only difference is IRS give you a different classification. That's the difference. That's all. But everything else, when I say about accounting, CFO, everything, hiring, everything is actually, you can apply it for your business as well. I know a lot of you like actually have nonprofits and also have a business, or just a business or just a nonprofit. It applies to everyone who wants to run a successful entity, regardless of how do you identify your entity. Your CFO can help you increase efficiency. Like I said, the CFO will be actually the partner of you, the CEO or the executive director, whatever name you call. You know, like most coming in nonprofit, you call the CEO is executive director. Some of you, I know, you still call yourself CEO. Regardless, that's it. The visionary person. You have the goal. You have something in your brain, in your mind, like you want to implement. The person who would partner with you to make sure your vision comes true as your CFO. Your CFO. That's your partner. You tell them where you want to go. They tell you what way you should go. So that's your GPS, because they have to look at numbers and much more. So if you want to go somewhere and you want to make sure you are arriving to your destination, you want to make sure you have a partner with you, which is your CFO. Now, like I said, investment to actually get a CFO can be really high. It's worth it. If you got the right person, it's totally worth it. But instead of being 6 figures plus, multi 6-figure, or just a 6-figure, you plus benefit plus so many things, you now can hire a fractional CFO or have virtual CFO who just in consultancy basis, where you can cut the cost to 50%. So instead of paying 100 plus, you can pay 50, around that 5 figures only. In a monthly basis, of course, it's going to be less, but I'm talking annual basis here. So it depends on what type of service you want the CFO to do. So this is very important. This is actually a return on investment. So if you are looking to take your organization to a next level, maybe you should look into hiring a CFO. And if you don't know anyone, you can book a call with me, and I would love to talk to you to see if we can work together. If I can help you, I will let you know. If you need something else, I'll let you know what you need. So, but if you want to actually look into that and see if CFO services looks good for you, it's what you need for your business or nonprofit, then I will let you know. If you have someone else to talk to, go ahead and talk to. But if you are in nonprofit, I know there's not too many, like there's like only few people who understand nonprofits and really can and help you take your nonprofit to another level. So I would love to talk to you if you are in that situation. Regard no obligation, like I offer like calls, like free calls, so we get into Zoom. So I put the link over there, like I said, on the screen. You can go there and book a call. We get on Zoom and I ask you some questions, you ask me questions, and then we see if we are a good fit. And I've tell you if CFO services is good for you at the level you are in, or if you need something else. So if you have any question, let me know, please. Like, I would love to answer your questions. If you need more information about anything, CFO services, taxes, everything, please let me know. I'll be happy to talk to you more about it. This week, I have two guests coming with me. Later this week, I have Brittany, my partner. You've seen her multiple times with me. So we're going to go again soon. I already have that available on YouTube. So you just say notify me and you will be notified when we go live. Also, that's going on to all social media. If you are an Instagram, you might want to follow me on other platform, subscribe to YouTube to get notified whenever I have a new video, new lives, shorts, anything that's for you. You can be notified. Another thing is while I'm live, I can answer any question you have if it can be answered on the live. So I'll be happy to answer it for you. And another guest I have with me later this week is Crystal. She is actually well known in the nonprofit world. So I will be talking to her this week. So I would love to have you with us as well. So watch out for those lives. This week we're gonna go multiple times. I'm gonna go alone. I'm gonna go with other guests. I would love to have you. I would love to answer your questions. And also, if you are just starting your nonprofit or thinking about starting your nonprofit, I would love to talk to you to see if you are a good fit for my 12-month coaching program where I can help you grow your nonprofit. So if you book that call, you'll be able to actually discuss anything with me, and I'll let you know which one will make more sense for you at your level, and we'll take it from there. Let me know if you had any question, and I will see you later. Talk to you soon.